welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie, and today we're going to be making the viral TikTok green goddess salad. Before we get into this video, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of fashion, DIY, and lifestyle content. It would be great if you could subscribe and join along in the fun. I'm going to be making the salad, and then I'm going to be testing it out and letting you guys know if I think it's worth it to make it or not. So let's get into it. Okay, to make this salad, you will need olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon, cashews, chives, basil leaves, a shallot. I've never used these before. Some cucumber, garlic, Parmesan or nutritional yeast, salt, green onion, a head of cabbage, and some spinach. So let's start with the dressing. I gotta get my TikTok up here. That's how I'm gonna be reading the recipe. I'm using the one from the Salad Lab. I follow this girl and she makes like really delicious salad. So I'll link this video and this is the recipe I'll be following. Okay. All right, so we're gonna make the dressing. She's making it in a little cup like this, so that's what I'll do as well. All right, now you can see what's going on down there. All right, so the first thing is a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some lemon juice in there. This is the first time I've used this little lemon squeezer. Jordan got it for Christmas. I'm just gonna cut this up so I can get more juice out of it. All right, she said 1 small shallot, and she had hers like kind of chopped. And then 2 cloves of garlic. So she did a 1/4 cup of cashews and walnuts. I'm just gonna do cashews because I didn't feel like buying 2 different types of nuts for one salad. I should probably use a 1/2 cup if she did a 1/4 cup. All right, then she did a cup of fresh basil leaves. I'm just gonna use this entire package because that's what I have. And then she does a cup of fresh baby spinach. Put it in there. Looks like a cup, right? And then next she puts some chives in there. All right, time to shred some Parmesan. All right, that looks like it's enough. It's supposed to be a 1/3 cup, so let's see. A little extra won't hurt. All right, and then she puts flake sea salt in, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. All right, now it's time to blend this baby up. I just got the chicken cooking, so now I'm gonna start chopping like the base of the salad. So that's just like the cabbage, green onion, the cucumber, and then it's gonna be time to try it out. All right, now it's time for some cucumber. This is what we're working with. Now we just gotta add the dressing and chicken. Here's my lovely chicken sizzling. All right, time to pour the dressing in the salad. All right, let's toss this baby. Now we're gonna toss in the chicken. Toss that. Smells so good. All right, you guys, I am finally here. Green goddess salad. I cannot tell you how good this smells, and I am so excited to make this because I feel like I've been grinding in the kitchen for so long and I'm starving. So without further ado, let's try this first bite. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Like the flavor is just So I was kind of scared that I was gonna compromise the flavor, but not at all. All right, now that I'm done eating my salad, I wanted to give my final review on Viral Green Goddess Salad from TikTok. I just finished mine and I actually didn't even eat the whole thing. This is how much I had left in my bowl. And this was about half of the portion of that I made. It was pretty big and it was super filling, so I didn't finish it. Flavor is phenomenal. I absolutely love this salad. I think my only reservation is that it was a lot of work and I never want to have to chop a cabbage again in my life. That was the first cabbage. That was the first cabbage I had chopped, and I don't know if I'm like a wimp or something, but it was too complicated. I love the idea and I probably will make it again, but it's just not going to be for a while. Take that information as you will. If you want to try it, I will have the video that I followed linked in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, and let me know if you are going to try it and what you thought of the recipe. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.